TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL made billions of dollars by selling human hours. Now, US-based AI company Anthropic is building products that makes those hours optional. 6 products from Anthropic and 6 direct threat to Indian IT companies. मैं आपको एक एक प्रोडक्ट के जरिए दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे इंडियन आईटी का कोर बिजनेस मॉडल धीरे धीरे चैलेंज हो रहा है. Most people are covering this as a stock price story. I'll show you how this is actually a IT business model destruction story. Let's decode the products and understand this story in 6 simple slides. The very first product from Anthropic is Claude Code. So what is Claude Code? Claude Code एक AI आधारित कोडिंग असिस्टेंट है जो सॉफ्टवेयर का कोड खुद लिख सकता है, सुधार भी सकता है और ठीक कर सकता है. यानी वो काम अपने आप कर देता है जिसमें डेवलपर्स का ज्यादातर समय लगता है. Now let's first look at the core function of Claude Code. It automates repetitive and boilerplate coding. Now what is boilerplate coding? See, boilerplate coding means ready-made repetitive code that developers copy paste across projects because it really changes. So engineers increasingly generate first draft of code using Claude. So developers today, they spend 60 to 70% of their time on this. So what will be the impact of Claude Code on Indian IT companies? It will reduce the need for large coding teams. So you don't need such a large coding team. So the IT companies have to act very staff to downsize their coding teams. And if they don't do it, that will reflect in the efficiency and the productivity of employees. The second dimension of Claude Code is the code output. So it writes 70 to 90% of the internal code at Anthropic. So you can imagine if the company is writing their 70 to 90% of the code, what will be the utility of such a product? Massive productivity multiplier. So what will be the impact on Indian IT companies? Headcount to revenue linkage weakens. The third dimension of Claude Code is the speed. It completes large code tasks autonomously. Faster delivery cycles. You can do the project very fast. Now the impact on IT companies will be billing hours shrink. The moment the project time will shrink, your billing will also reduce. So that will have a direct impact on Indian IT companies, like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL. The fourth dimension is the cost structure. This is subscription-based AI agent. You pay for the subscription here. Now, this is fraction of senior developer cost. If you hire senior developers, there's a huge fixed cost there. And the impact on IT companies is on the margins. Margin will compress. That's a big risk for the IT companies. The last point is the role shift. Now engineers become reviewers, not writers. So the writing of code will be done by the Claude Code and you need engineers who will review it. So the skill mix changes for the IT company and the impact on Indian companies will be the slowing down of junior hires. So you can see how this product called Claude Code is impacting the big Indian IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL. Now I have a simple example for you, to understand, Claude Code from a ICICI example. A large Indian bank that we all know about ICICI. Now they want to build a new mobile app feature. They already have a mobile app. I'm just giving you an example. Earlier, what used to happen? TCS will deploy 50 engineers, and this project will take 6 months. And this means 6 months means billing based on the hourly basis. Now what will happen? AI will write 70 to 80% of the code. You don't need such a large team here. Only 10 engineers supervise and the project will be done in 2 months. So see the time reduction, see the number of hours and see how the entire code is being written. Almost 70 to 80%. So here naturally the client saves money, but IT company earn very less here. Now the second product is the Claude Cowork. And let's see how that will impact the Indian IT company. So Claude Cowork एक AI ऑफिस असिस्टेंट है जो फाइनेंस, लीगल, HR और ऑपरेशन जैसे व्हाइट कॉलर काम खुद कर सकता है. नंबर 1 is the core function. Now it automate office and knowledge work tasks. Now we are shifting to the knowledge work tasks. BPO, KPO work is repetitive and process driven. That we already know and many companies are already automating it. And Anthropic, with its products is going one step ahead. Now direct pressure on outsourcing headcount model. So this will impact big companies like TCS, Infosys and Wipro. Scope expansion, plugins for finance, legal, HR, cybersecurity. So they have plugins. You can plug in the finance part, legal, HR, cybersecurity. These products are based on vertical differentiation, expand beyond coding into white collar tasks. So here the Anthropic products are getting into the white collar tasks. Threat moves from IT services to BPO divisions. So all these companies have BPO divisions. Now the threat is not only in the IT companies, it is now moving to BPO divisions. Financial analysis works with databases via plugins. So today there are a lot of databases in the market, and you just need plugin. Now, when integrated with providers like Factsy, you have S&P Global, you have London Stock Exchange. The AI can fetch company financials from these databases, run valuation comparisons, analyze sector trend, pull historical data, cross-check metrics, and generate automated research note. So it turned AI from a text model into a research engine connected to real data pipes, and then the cloud will do its work. Can model PE scenarios, analyze financial data. This is very important. I mean, these two are very important point. Let me explain you. So what model PE scenario means? Private equity, as you all know, is known as PE. So AI can simulate leverage buyouts, debt restructuring scenarios, IRR sensitivity analysis, exit multiple modeling, cash flow projection, return waterfall. So instead of analyzing, building 20 Excel tabs manually, the model can generate assumptions, run scenarios, stress test leverage, compare best and the worst case outcome. So here the need reduces for analyst level backend teams. You don't need that many analysts now, and that goes even beyond the IT companies. Legal work, draft summaries, review documents, supports compliance tasks. Legal outsourcing is high margin BPO vertical. So revenue risk in legal process outsourcing. So a lot of outsourcing job will get impacted with this Claude Cowork. Finally, the HR and operation, create job descriptions, offer letters, vendor summaries. Look at the kind of jobs it's going to do. Automate routine HR and operation workflow. Shrinks transactional HR outsourcing demand. So today, these IT companies are helping, big companies in the HR space, legal space, financial, analysis space. Now, entire work now will be done by, this Claude Cowork, and this is going to hit the revenues of, big IT companies. Now, I have taken example of another, bank here, HDFC Bank. Now, earlier, Infosys, BPM, was handling, loan documentation checks, 300 plus backend staff, process compliance, summaries, turnaround time, several days, Now with this Claude Cowork auto summarizes document, flags compliance issues instantly, and third, only 60-80 reviewers supervise. You don't need large teams here. So result, client cost drops and outsourcing manpower requirement declines. So again, a huge impact on Indian IT companies. Now let's come to the third product, Claude Code Security. So what is Claude Code Security versus a traditional, cyber security? Claude Code Security एक AI tool है जो सॉफ्टवेयर में सिक्योरिटी कमजोरियां ढूंढकर उनके सॉल्यूशन भी देता है. यानी हाई मार्जिन साइबर सिक्योरिटी काम भी अब ऑटोमेशन की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. Now let's look at the code function. Scan entire code bases for vulnerabilities. Security audits are manual and expensive. This is the traditional system. And see, it will reduce the need for large security review teams. So the entire consultancy kind of job will go away. Patch suggestion, recommends targeted software fixes for human review. Automate first level remediation. This is very important. The first level remediation will be done by the code. Now you don't need many teams. Shrinks billable consultancy hour for the IT companies. Speed, scans millions of lines instantly. Traditional audit take weeks and also a lot of people. So faster turnaround reduces revenue duration, for IT companies. Cost model AI subscription versus specialist cybersecurity teams. Cyber is premium billing vertical. Margin compression risk. Now in the last, if you see in the 8-10 years, because of digitalization, cybersecurity is a big focus area for all companies, all corporates. That's where the big IT companies were making good money. So now that business will also come under threat. Especially the revenue will go down. Human role engineers validate AI patches, moves from investigation to supervision. You don't need many teams for investigation. You only need teams for supervision. Fewer high cost security analysts required. So look at how Claude Code will impact TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all the big IT companies. मैंने एक और बैंक का example लिया है, State Bank of India. Earlier, let's say TCS cybersecurity division runs periodic audits. Large team manually scan systems. Now billing based on engagement duration of the team. Now what will happen? Claude Code Security auto scan code base continuously. Flags vulnerabilities instantly. Only senior experts review suggested patches. So you don't need many teams. So result, client gets faster protection. IT companies loses extended audit billing cycle. See, every product is hitting the hourly work which the big IT companies used to do earlier. Now let's come to the fourth product, enterprise plugins marketplace. Now what is enterprise plugins? Enterprise plugins marketplace कंपनियों को खुद अपने AI workflows बनाने और existing software से जोड़ने की सुविधा देता है, यानी सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर पर निर्भरता कम होती है. Now let's look at the core concept. Department specific AI plugins. Here customization was system integrator revenue core. Custom plugin creation. Enterprise can build internal AI workflows. Earlier required external consulting team from TCS, Wipro and all the big companies. Software connectivity connects to Google, Drive, Gmail, DocuSign, Legal Zoom, integrates across enterprise stack. Cost structure, AI platform plus internal team, hundreds of crore for SI contracts. Scalability, companies can build hundreds of plugins. Self-service automation model. Strategic shift, platform-led ecosystem versus project-led model. High margin consulting at risk. So enterprise plugin is going to impact now the high margin business. Now let's understand this from an example of Tata Motors. Earlier, HR integrates SAP, HR, vendor management, multi-year digital transformation contract with IT companies, dedicated, integrated team and all. Now, internal IT builds Claude plugins, connects to procurement, supply chain docs, vendor contracts, AI summarizes compliance plus generates workflow approvals. Result, fewer external SI consultant required. So again, this is also going to impact the big IT companies. Now let's come to the fifth product, Claude Opus 4.6. What is Claude Opus 4.6? Claude Opus 4.6 एक एडवांस AI मॉडल है जो हजारों पन्नों के डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़कर फाइनेंशियल, लीगल और एनालिटिकल इंसाइट्स खुद तैयार कर सकता है, यानी सीनियर एनालिस्ट का कोर काम ऑटोमेशन की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. Now let's look at the core capability. 1 million token context window can read thousands of pages at once. It automates large scale document analysis. Second is the knowledge processing, extracts insight from financial, legal, technical documents. Senior analysts are paid for this skill today. Reduces need for large analyst team. Retrieval performance scored 76% versus 85.5% on hidden text benchmark. Massive jump in document comprehension. Higher reliability in research tasks. Competitive benchmark outperforms GPT 5.2 on knowledge work tasks. Signal top tier reasoning ability. Premium KPO work faces now disruption. And output quality generates near production ready documents, slides and spreadsheets. Less editing required. Cuts analyst revision cycle. So look at how Claude Opus 4.6 is going to change the companies and the way they engage, with the Indian IT company. To make it simple, I have example of, Adani Group. Consulting team reviews 5,000 pages of regulatory filings. Financial analysts prepare, summaries and risk notes. Weeks of, billable research here. Now, Claude Opus reads the entire document set in hours, produces summary, risk flags, financial insights. Senior team only validate conclusions. Result, client gets insight faster. Fewer analysts required per engagement. And the sixth product, is multi-agent coordination. Now, what is the core concept? Multi-AI agent works simultaneously, mimics parallel human work stream, challenge large team deployment model. Project structure, agents divide coding, testing, documentation and debugging. Human teams traditionally split into modules, reduces need for 100 to 200 engineers, projects. Coordination, AI agent communicate and resolve dependencies, replaces projects manager plus team, shrinks coordination overhead. Cost model, AI compute versus multi-level salary pyramid. Offshore arbitrage loses advantage. And structural pricing pressure. Human roles supervises, oversee AI agent output, moves from execution to governance, and here junior plus mid-level role reduces. So the one thing is very clear, the kind of impact this will have on the skilled and the junior jobs at the IT companies. And to make it simple for you, I have an example of Bharti Airtel. Now earlier TCS deployed, let's say 150-200 engineers. Separate teams for billing system, CRM, compliance integration. Project timeline 12 to 18 months. Revenue based on team size plus duration. Now AI agent handles segmented modules simultaneously. Coding, testing, documentation automated. 20-30 senior engineers supervise. So result, project done faster, manpower billing shrinks significantly here. जैसा कि आपने देखा ये 6 प्रोडक्ट कैसे इंपैक्ट करने वाले हैं TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL को, और कहानी यही खत्म नहीं हुई है. Claude has multiple products. I mean, they are already working on many other products. And the threat to Indian IT companies is not only from Anthropic. Tomorrow, there will be 5 new players offering 5 different products for the Indian corporates. And that's where the biggest threat for Indian IT companies lies. Because tomorrow is very uncertain. And the way innovation are happening, the road ahead for IT companies is going to be very challenging. And just to make a disclaimer, I have mentioned here a lot of listed companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL. In case you want to take a position on this stock or buy, sell, hold, I suggest do consult your financial advisor because this video is only for educational purposes.